Hello children. Now we are going to solve page number 79 of the poem. Okay. Now we have read the poem, right? Now we are going to complete the given questions down. What it is written? Read these statements and write if they are right or wrong. क्या लिखना है हमें? Right or wrong. We should be honest sometimes. Now what it is said? We should be honest sometimes. हमें कभी कभी सच बोलना चाहिए क्या? Is it right or wrong? Wrong. So what is the answer? Wrong. You have to write here wrong. 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 Okay. Next. We should always be willing to share. Whatever things we have, we should always share with our friends, share with our family. Is this thing right or wrong? Right. ये right चीज़ है कि नहीं? This is a right habit. So write RIGHT. Right. Next, we should follow rules only in the classroom. Now what is the next question? That we should follow rules only in classroom. सिर्फ क्लासरूम में फॉलो करने चाहिए क्या रूल्स एंड बाहर नहीं? नो, वी शुड ऑलवेज फॉलो दिस रूल्स वेर एवर वी गो. हम जहाँ पर भी जाए वी शुड फॉलो दिस रूल्स. सो हियर द स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ रॉन्ग? WRONG. wrong. Okay, turn your page number 80. We should all know the rules. Okay, we should all know the rules. Is it right or wrong? Right. So what is the answer? RIGHT. Right. Okay, next. We should follow rules wherever we go. हम जहाँ पर भी जाएं, we should always follow these rules. Is it a right or wrong? Right. So what is your answer? Right. 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 Okay. Next you have always and never. So what do you mean by always? Always tell us what we should do all the time. हमें जो चीज़ें हर टाइम करनी है we say them as always. Never, what we should not do at any time. Never means कभी नहीं करने वाले काम. Now what is said? Always be honest means हमेशा सच बोलना चाहिए. It means always here means we should always do the same thing. Always be good and willing to share. Here हमें कैसा होना चाहिए? Good and willing to share. It means always हमेशा. Never, like never we should tell lie, never we should hurt anyone. ये सारी चीज़ें कौन सी होती है? Never. It means कभी नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay. Now here we are going to write some. Here we have some sentences. We are going to write always or never here in these lines. Okay. Now what's the question? Complete the following classroom rules using always or never. What we have to use? Always or never. Okay. Now you have to tell me whether you will do this work always or never. What is the first thing? Listen to your teacher. Tell me, आप always you will do or never? Always. We should always listen to our teachers. It means you will always. What is the spelling of always? ALWAYS. Always listen to your teacher. Next, complete your homework. Always or never? हमेशा या कभी नहीं? हमेशा, right? Always. Always complete your homework. Again write always. 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 Dash push any student. हमें always push any student and never push any student. Is it a right thing or wrong thing? Wrong. We should write never. We should never push anyone. Okay. NEVER. Never. Throw garbage in the dustbin. Always or never? Always. Right. ALWAYS. Always. Okay kids, here we are completing with the poem worksheet also. Okay, so this you have to complete it in your English workbook. Bye bye.